I'm gonna try dropshipping for 48 hours, so watch to the end to see some crazy results. Okay, so first we gotta find a product to sell. Here I'm gonna be using Minea to find some ads that are performing right now. Go to Ad Spy and click TikTok. Then we gonna do United States. Shopify, at least 1,000 likes and at least 100K views. And the date seen is the last week. Then we're just gonna scroll until we find something interesting. I swear this is only for research purposes. Okay, this is pretty interesting. It's a keychain with a custom photo and some text. So let's look at their store. So it's actually a niche store that sells gifts. So let's use Shophunter to see if they actually get sales with this product. Okay, so they are doing pretty good revenue, but none of these is the custom keychain. It's this personalized print-on-demand t-shirt. Even though this ad has 200K views, it doesn't sell. This is why I always do my product research with Minea and Shophunter combined. So let's continue to look. This makeup bag could be interesting. It has 400K views. So let's view their store. Okay, this is decent. Let's check on Shophunter. Damn, they are doing numbers. They did over 75K revenue with this makeup bag in the last month. This is the product we're gonna go with. Okay, so it's right here on CJdropshipping for $5.07, but with shipping it's $12.50. Before we make the Shopify store, we need a name for our store, so let's use ChatGPT. Here, I really like Blushbox. Since it's already taken, we're gonna go with my Blushbox. Now make the Shopify store, and if you use the link in the description, you get it for $1 a month. Then we're gonna list it to our store. For the price, we do $29.95. Then we're gonna do our store real quick. For the pages, you can use the copy and paste blueprint. There's a link in the description. That was the home page. Then we're gonna build the product page with Gempages. So this is the product page. Very simple for now, and I might update it while the ads are running. So for ads, I cheated a bit. I just downloaded some ads and cleared the metadata. So let's set up the campaigns. So I made a CBO campaign with a $200 daily budget and launched the ads. And after $12 in ad spend with only 6 clicks, we got our first sale. But other than the sale, the metrics didn't look that good. $2 CPC and a $24 CPM. But anyways, I went ahead and made an ABO campaign with 5 ad sets at $20 each and an SPC campaign with $100 as well. And then I waited and prayed. Later in the day, I could see that the campaigns all got insanely high CPC and CPM. Now I ain't the best at math, but I know that spending $82 to make back $30 isn't a great business. And there's also the cost of goods. Because of the crazy high CPM and CPC in USA, I decided to target Europe. Everybody is targeting USA, so I would be the genius that got all the sales in Europe. So I got over to my EU ad account, deposited some money, and then my ad account got suspended. When your ad account gets suspended, all the money in your ad account gets locked. I made another ad account and ran the campaign. And as I expected, the CPM and CPC were way lower, but no sales. Then I was told that's pretty normal when targeting EU. So I turned off the campaign and went back to the drawing board. This time I decided to make my own ads. I made 2 new campaigns with the new ads I just made and hoped this would fix my high CPM and CPC. And well, I somehow managed to get an $8 CPC. So just to do a recap of the challenge, we spent $82 to make back $30 in the US ad account, got smart and changed to Europe just to lose another $30. Then we got creative and made totally new ads and tried running them in the US. Here we spent $36 to beat the world record for the highest CPC of $8. And now we are here, having spent $148 to make 1 sale. So what did we learn? It's expensive to target USA. It's cheap to target EU, but give less sales. Use the pay later method on TikTok so your money won't get locked if the account is suspended. Also, when finding a product, make sure it's scaling and not dying. That might have been why the product failed. And also, if you're watching this TikTok, please give me my $64 back. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, this video right here is also about paid ads.